Hey, it's Mila from English with Me. Let me ask you something. Have you ever ended your day thinking, I want to speak English fluently, but I just don't know what to say? Well, you're about to change that starting tonight. In this video, you'll shadow real evening and bedtime English sentences, the way native speakers actually speak, and I'll guide you every step of the way. No boring textbook phrases, just natural, powerful English, the kind that sticks with you because it connects to your real life. So take a deep breath, let go of the pressure, and let's speak English together, sentence by sentence. Ready? Let's jump in. Today, you're going to complete your full-day English shadowing challenge. Part 1. You practice 30 powerful sentences, from waking up to arriving at work. But now, we're jumping into the best part, your evening and bedtime routine. These are the sentences native speakers say when the day slows down and the most natural English comes out. If you already shadowed part 1, that's great. If not, don't worry. You can always go back to the morning routine later. Right now, just focus on this part. Let's keep shadowing together. Here's what we're doing today. 10 evening routine sentences, 10 bedtime sentences, and 5 vocabulary secrets to sound more natural. If you're ready, hit that like button, and let's shadow together. Let's begin with my evening routine. Shadow every sentence with me. Here we go. I finish work and say goodbye to everyone. I take the same bus back home. I stop at the grocery store on my ways. I buy milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I cook dinner in my small kitchen. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. I call my parents to ask about their day. I do some light exercise in my living room. I read a few pages of an interesting book. I prepare everything for tomorrow morning. Great job. These evening sentences are so useful for daily conversation. Now, let's move on. Time for my bedtime routine. Shadow these peaceful sentences with me. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I brush my teeth one more time. I set my alarm clock for 7s. 7's here, I turn off all the lights in the apartment. I check that the front door is locked. I get into bed and pull up the blankets. I think about the good things that happened today. I close my eyes and try to fall asleep. I sleep peacefully until morning comes again. Excellent. You now have 50 daily routine sentences. Morning routine. Complete. Evening routine. Complete. You're building real speaking habits, one sentence at a time. Now, let's level up your English. Here are 5 vocabulary secrets to sound more like a native speaker. Secret 1, sharp for exact time. Say, 8:00, 30 sharp. Instead of at 8:30, it sounds more natural. Secret 2, use grab instead of takes. Say, I grab my keys. Instead of I take my keys. Secret 3, use check instead of look at ye. Say, I check my phone. Not, I look at my phone. Secret 4, turn on, turn off. Say, turn on the coffee machine. Turn off the lights. Super useful. Secret 5, get into bed instead of go to bed. Say, I get into bed, not I go to bed. This is what native speakers say when lying down. Amazing work today. You learned 20 new sentences for your evening and bedtime, 5 natural-sounding vocabulary upgrades, and how to talk about your full day in real English. Your homework, practice part 1 and part 2 every day this week. By day 7, these sentences will flow naturally. Comment challenge. Write about your evening routine using today's phrases. I read every single comment, and I love seeing your progress. And just like that, you've completed another step in your English journey. These may seem like simple sentences, but they're the foundation of real, confident conversation. Learning a language isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, practicing with intention, and trusting that each word, each sentence, brings you closer to the speaker you want to become. So, whether you're ending your day with a smile or a sigh, remember this: you're not alone. There are thousands of learners around the world taking these same steps with you. And every time you speak even just one sentence, you're growing. Thank you for being here with me today. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And no matter where you are or how you feel, know this: your voice matters. Your English matters. And you are making real progress. One day at a time. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and never stop speaking.